Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Based off of how silly I look right now with only one brow filled in, you can guess that I am trying out a brow product today. I'm trying out the Florence by Mills Tint and Tame Brow Gel that I got in the shade Clear that I redeemed Ipsy points for last month. And I love trying out brow gels, especially clear brow gel, which is a pretty boring, I guess, makeup product, but I am very picky with my brow products and my brow gels, and I love clear brow gel. So I'm really excited to see how this is. I've had some success, some products that I don't really like that much from the brand Florence by Mills, which is Millie Bobby Brown's makeup line, the girl from Stranger Things. And it's definitely geared towards younger people and supposed to be more of a natural look. So I think a brow gel is perfect for that. It does come in a few other shades. It's cruelty free and it pretty much just claims to have good hold to it. It's also vegan and it says it's a clean product. And cute packaging, very on brand. Let's check out the applicator. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Oh, it's like really hard to get the applicator out, and look at what just happened. The whole inside of the packaging just came out with the wand. Yeah, oh my gosh, my wand is messed up. Look at how that just came out of the packaging. This is the first time I'm opening it and it's all bent, which is a bummer because this seems like a good wand, like a very tiny wand. I just tried straightening it out, so hopefully I can still use it. Okay, that's weird. If anyone else got this product and received a similar kind of defective product, let me know. I did get this in Ipsy that I redeemed points for, so maybe it's like a bad batch. I don't know. But the wand, aside from it coming to me like messed up, it looks like a good wand because it's teeny tiny, which I do prefer for brow products. So I went ahead and I filled in my brow with the pencil on one side. The other side has no product in it. But my typical brow routine is to fill in my brow with a pencil like this and then top it off with a brow gel. So I'm going to be trying this out with the pencil and just on its own to see how the clear brow gel really looks. So first I'm going to go ahead and start by brushing the brow gel through the brow without any product in it. And this wand seems to be working just fine. But this also is looking good. I like when a clear brow gel kind of darkens my brows in a way where it makes them look wet, so they look a little bit darker. And that helps define the brows and make my brows look more natural. So I like how that's looking. I'm gonna give it a second to dry down, and while I wait, I'm gonna go ahead and brush through on top of the pencil, and we'll see if it ruins the pencil at all or how it looks. Yeah, I really like how this looks on the brow hairs. It doesn't leave any texture, no clumping. I'm able to brush through all of the brows. And I don't feel like it moved, smudged, or lifted the brow pencil at all. So that is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and see. It definitely seems to take a while to dry down. Maybe fan it a bit. I'm like trying to fan it, but I definitely don't want a brow gel that never dries down, right? I want it to actually hold the brow. Yeah, I think it's dried down, but it still kind of has like a flexible hold. Like if you really did like go pretty hard on the brow, like they do still move. But there's no crumbling, it's not crunchy. So I like it. It's not the best clear brow gel I've ever used, just because it doesn't completely hold the brows, and therefore it's kind of like, what's the purpose if it's not actually going to keep your brows in place? So this is okay, not amazing. Not something that I would necessarily recommend spending the $14 on, because I do think there are better and cheaper brow gels out there. And there's the fact that this just arrived kind of damaged to me as well. That makes me not really love this. But at least now I know. If you've tried this out, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I'm especially interested to hear if anyone has tried out the tinted version, how that looks. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.